To add Square to your GoDaddy website, start by creating a Square account if you don't already have one. Go to the Square website and sign up for an account by providing the required information such as your business name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you will need to set up your Square payment processing by providing information about your business and bank account. Next, go to your GoDaddy website and log into your account. Click on the website builder or editor for your site. This is usually located in the My Account section. Once you are in the website builder, click on the e-commerce or payments section. This is where you will add your Square payment processing. Click on the Add Payment Method or Connect a Payment Processor button. Then select Square from the list of available payment processors. You will be prompted to enter your Square account information, including your account ID and access token. You can find this information in your Square account under the Account and Settings section. After you have connected your Square account, you will need to configure your payment settings. This includes setting your payment types, such as credit cards or bank transfers, and setting your shipping and tax rates. You can also customize your checkout experience by adding a logo or customizing the layout. Once you have configured your payment settings, you can add a Buy Now button or shopping cart to your website. This will allow your customers to make purchases using your Square payment processing. Make sure to test your payment processing to ensure that it is working correctly. By following these steps, you can easily add Square to your GoDaddy website and start accepting payments online. This will help you to expand your business and reach more customers, and will also provide a convenient and secure way for your customers to make purchases.